Okay, everybody, hello. So I'm gonna do another one of these training videos, and um, I did a few last night over like Chol Hamoed Sukkot, and Nava watched one or two of them today, and she said they were just terrible. So I'm gonna try to do a better job. She's here with me now, and I have a couple of instructions I have to follow. I have to know what I'm saying before I say it, so I'm not just making it up on the fly. Okay. What does this one say? Yeah, but that's the same thing as this.
I don't know.
Okay. And then also to not stop in the middle of a sentence. Okay. And also to go a little bit faster. So, say hello, Nava. Okay. So, we're going to try to do that here. Okay. What I'm going to try to do here is let's create some Facebook Messenger lead gen ads. Okay. So, first of all, you gotta go to it's a messenger campaign. Okay. And so let's just call it test messages. And let's also call it like let's see if Nava likes this one. Okay. And since it's not going to be a real campaign, I'm going to put it at $1 a day. Okay. And continue. Okay, so basically, it starts out, the same as any other campaign. You just kind of choose your audience. I'm just going to choose a random audience. So right now, I'm in Sunhouse's account. So and every time I do a proposal, I create like a audience here. So here, there we go. Doesn't really matter. That's not the point of this video. Okay, and then you just leave the placements automatic for the most part, unless there's a reason not to. Okay, here's where it gets tricky and also buggy. You really want to change. Okay, you want to change. Was that okay, Neva? I stopped for there for a second. I think we actually have to test. Okay, this is something that's actually worth testing. I'm gonna change it to the optimization for ad delivery to leads. I'm curious what would happen if we would A/B test this with a different ad set where the optimization is replies. Basically, here, if we choose leads, Facebook is optimizing for people who are most likely to fill out the form. I'm just wondering, if we would do it for replies, just basically, this is basically saying people who would fill out just the first step in the chat. Maybe we just get more replies at a cheaper rate and just just see which one works better in the long run. But for now, let's just go with leads. Okay. And this is all the same stuff. And hold on, let me just drag this down a little bit. There we go. Okay. And continue. Very nice. Okay. And okay, so the ad itself is just the same. I'm just going to put in blah blah here. Blah blah. Okay, you like that? And then for the image, we'll just choose an image. You? No, I'm not choosing you.
What's that mean?
I'll choose this one of Fran. Okay. And for the headline here, we'll say, this is Fran, not Nava. Okay, so Nava, congratulations, you're now in the ad. Okay. Okay, very good. So now the call to action is whatever it is. I'm going to do contact us. Okay, very good. So now what we want to do is and this is where I think that Facebook has, as of today, which is October 16th, 2019, has a lot of bugs. It still has to work out. But basically, if you would use existing, no, that wouldn't really be good. So let's just do, we're going to do generate leads. Okay. And so here, you want to customize everything. First of all, name it so it's not just automated chat and the date. Name it like, Nava's chat or something like that. Okay. And okay, you also want to optimize this. So instead of like, please answer a few questions so we can get to know you better, you just like, please answer a few questions to get started using Poltrix or whatever. Okay, and you just have to optimize that as you need to. Okay, so and then you just ask a couple of questions. Like you could start with what country do you live in?
Israel.
Okay, well, not necessarily everybody who sees the ad is going to be Israel, so you just choose from this drop down. You choose country. Okay, and then I'm just going to make a few, and then so we already have the lead's name. So here, what's your email? Okay, and so it's here. Choose from here. Email. Okay, and let's get the phone number. What's your phone number? Choose phone. Okay, and you can ask any of this stuff. Now, the one thing that we've started running into a little bit is if we have to ask a GDPR question. So, what? No, what? I should go faster? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is basically, you would just put a question in here like, please confirm that this is not going to be the exact text that you use. The exact text that you use, we're going to have to figure out on a case-by-case basis. Please understand that this is not the exact text we should be using for the clients. We have to review this on a case-by-case basis. Do not use this text. This is just a concept. Please confirm that you accept the privacy policy. Okay, and then put a link to the privacy policy here. Like, can use ours, for example. Where is it?
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for our privacy policy.
What is that?
Hold on. Hold on. Slash privacy. There it is. I said ugh, yes, I said ugh in the video. Right?
You said that you were going to say ugh in this video.
Okay. And so I'm just putting a link to the privacy policy right here. Okay. And then you would have to put an answer, choose answer type, options, and only have one option. I accept. Okay. This, by the way, is a GDPR thing. It's not relevant to anyone right now outside of Europe. So if you're running an ad campaign just in the US or Israel or whatever, you don't have to worry about this. Okay. And then, so now we got a few other things. We have a thank you message. Thank you for answering all the questions. We'll transfer you to a live agent as soon as possible. And I'll say instead of that, we'll be in touch with you. Be in touch with you shortly. Is it working? Nope.
It's loading.
There we go. Okay. And then, and this is a cool thing that Facebook sends an automatic nudge out to people who have not finished answering all the questions. So say like, hi, and personalization, hi, first name, please answer a few more questions to get your trial. Okay, very good. And okay, and then we have to put in the privacy policy again here. Okay, now I do want to, no, I'll read this later. Okay, hold on, I'm clicking on this. So I do want to explore something a little bit, but I'll read that later. I'm not sure if Facebook maybe asks this privacy policy question anyway, but whatever. Okay, there's privacy policy. Okay, so now, finish. Okay. And now here, okay, and now this is where you just want to just go crazy because Facebook is giving us an error message here. Optimization and Messenger setup do not match. Now you all saw me before choose leads. When I do fix error, it goes here. Hold on. I'm going to go back to the ad set for a second. It's on replies. It's on replies, even though I clicked leads before. You all saw that. We'll go back to the videotape to check that. Clicking
I
leads.
saw that.
You saw me do leads?
Yeah.
So, yeah. So Facebook's just being stupid like it always does. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Now we seem to be good. Confirm. Yep. Still wait for it to publish. Good. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna delete it in a minute anyway. So now we could see how the whole thing works. So we go here, and let's go into here. Okay, I'm gonna preview the ad. Okay, let's preview on Facebook Desktop Newsfeed. Very good. Okay. See, now you're in an ad now. Okay. Click on the ad. Voila. Okay. And what country do you live in? And the whole thing just comes up over here. Israel. It's just all populated anyway. Sometimes it's a little bit slow, but there's literally nothing we can do about that. Okay, what's your email? Ta-da. Phone number? Ta-da. Accept? Ta-da. And that's exactly what we had before. So now I'm going to just go here, and I can delete this, right? Nubs?
Fine.
Okay, delete. And that's that. That's how you do it. How do I pause this video? There we go. All right.